Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare green gram curry. Your first step is going to be soaking the green gram. You have to soak this for overnight in water. So here I have soaked a cup of green gram in 2 cups of water, and along with the water I have transferred everything into the pressure cooker. Now add the required amount of salt. We are going to pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. Set this aside. Take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Let the mustards pop. Next is chopped onions. You can add half of an onion, 1 green chilli and few curry leaves. To this add a quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida, that is hing, and give everything a nice saute. You have to saute this until the onions turns translucent. Next let us add 1 big chopped tomato. To this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and the required amount of salt. Close this and cook for a few minutes or until the oil oozes out. Now let us add the masalas, 2.5 teaspoons of sambar powder and half a teaspoon of chilli powder. Saute this for about a minute or two and then add the cooked green gram. Along with the green gram, add around 2 cups of water. Bring this to a boil and let this boil in medium flame for about 10 minutes. Let us add few coriander leaves and give a finishing touch. So here is our green gram curry. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.